Hail, I'm Angie, witch, occultist, healer. And my question for you today is now the time for magic? Is now the time for the great work, for the inner work? So in lesson 3 of our Witchcraft Basics course, Witchcraft for the Curious Novice, we're going to be exploring and uncovering different aspects of the inner temple. What is the inner temple? Well, that is your absolute creative power. It all comes from your inner temple, from in here. So we're going to be exploring the importance of grounding, for example. Whether you're doing magic work or not, grounding is an important aspect of living an expressed life, if you like. We will be exploring how being grounded brings about this powerful creative energy. So think of it like a tree. So in order for a tree to grow and be fully expressed in its treeness, it has to be grounded. It has to be grounded. It has roots, as above, so below, as within, so without. So we'll also be exploring ways to connect with your inner temple, to your energy, to that potent creative potential. Greater than the pieces, more than if we stand alone. Magic is more than doubled, more than flesh, more than bone. Bring in a piece of you, add it to a piece of me. We don't just get double, we get more than the power of 3. Greater than the pieces, more than if we stand alone. Magic is more than doubled, more than flesh, more than bone. Bring in a piece of you, add it to a piece of me. We don't just get double, we get more than the power of 3. We will also be exploring the importance of, as a novice, opening up and closing down when you are connecting to your higher self, for example, to the universe, to whatever you want to call that, spirit, whatever you want to define that as. So we'll be exploring the importance of why, as a novice, that is an important thing to do. We will also be debunking the myth behind the idea of having to protect yourself in magic. So, for example, deflection magic is very different to using magic to protect yourself because you're fearful, for example. Okay, so we're going to be exploring that as well as things like breath work and meditation, what it is and what it's not. So we'd love for you to join us on the Zoom call on the 22nd of May at 1:30 in the afternoon. So all the sign up details will be below this video if you're on YouTube. From there you'll be taken to a donation page where you can make your donation to get access to the live streamed lesson. And yes, it is live streamed, so it's interactive, very important. So yeah, we look forward to seeing you. Blessings all.